Hello everyone, welcome back to our Surds series. In the previous lesson, we learned how to multiply surds. Today we are going to learn how to divide surds, and you'll see that it's just as easy. Let's begin. The rule is very simple. When dividing surds, we divide the numbers inside the square roots first. The rule is under root a divided by under root b is equals to and whole under root a divided by b. So this is how you do this. Under root a divided by under root b is equals to whole under root a divided by b. So that is a very simple rule. After that, we simplify the answer if possible. Let's look at our first example. We want to simplify under root 18 over under divided by under root 2. So this can be written as under 18 over under root 2. So this will be written, instead of calculating each square root separately, divide the numbers inside the roots. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So under root 18 divided by under root 2 becomes under root 9. So now simplify under root 9, that is 3. So the final answer is 3. Now let's look at another example. Simplify 6 under root 12 divided by 3 under root 3. This question has numbers outside the square roots as well. So we'll solve it into two parts. First, divide the coefficients. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. First divide the coefficients, next divide the surds. So this will become equals to 12 over 3. 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 4 is 12. So this will become under root 4. And under root 4 equals 2. Finally, 2 into 2 2 into 2 is 4. So the final answer is 4. Let's try one more example. Simplify 8 under root 50 divided by 4 under root 2. Again, divide the coefficients first. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now divide the surds. So this will equals to under root 50 over 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 25 is 50. So this will become under root 25. So now under 25 is equals to 5. So this will become 5. Finally, 2 into 5 is 10. So the final answer is 10. So before we finish, remember these three simple steps. Step 1, divide the coefficients. Step 2, divide the numbers inside the square roots. Step 3, always simplify your answer. If you follow these three steps, dividing surds become very easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more O-level mathematics lesson. I'll see you in the next video where we'll learn how to rationalize the denominator.